Hello. Would you like to sew a fur coat like a celebrity? Such a luxurious short fur coat made of long pile fur to look like a million? Then watch this video to the end. The Opal Fur coat is a chic fur coat with a large collar that is sure to be a great piece in every woman's wardrobe. Every woman can sew such a fur coat, whether she is a professional in sewing or a beginner. Is it difficult to sew such a fur coat? No, let's figure it out. For sewing, you will need faux fur about 2.5 meters and lining about 1.5 meters. You will also need a professional precise sewing pattern and detailed instructions. On average, you will spend 3 evenings sewing such a fur coat if you sew a fur coat according to our detailed video tutorial and use our patterns. Especially for you, we have developed professional sewing patterns in sizes from XXS to 2XL and also filmed a detailed sewing video instruction on sewing a fur coat. The duration of the sewing video tutorial is 55 minutes, and during this time you will understand how to cut fur correctly, how not to spoil the fur when cutting, learn how to process seams when sewing from long-haired fur, cut and sew your ideal fur coat yourself right at home. We will guide you through all the difficult sewing moments so that you have no questions left and you receive a finished product that you will wear for more than one season. Watch fragments from our detailed sewing video tutorial.
Top stitch at 0.1 centimeter along the small pocket bag piece, directing the seam allowances towards the pocket bag. View from the right side. View from the wrong side. Place the one-piece collar pieces on the front pieces right sides together. Pin and stitch along the center seam.
Want to sew a stylish fur coat with us? Then follow the link below this video and download the patterns. You will have access to the patterns and video tutorials immediately after purchase. You can watch the video tutorial at a time convenient for you, as well as you can sew at a pace convenient for you. You can print the patterns in any format convenient for you, A4, letter, or A0. I'm waiting for you.